our February Allure Beauty Box. Thank you guys so much for the last Allure unboxing that I did. I had no idea which month that box was for, so shout out to every single one of y'all for helping me out because your girl was struggling, that's for sure. So anyways, like I said, today we will be unboxing our Allure Beauty Box, but before we jump into the video, as always, if you are new here, hello, welcome. My name is Rhonda, better known as HOTMESSMOMMAMD, makeup diva, not medical doctor, and y'all, over here we embrace the hot mess. We run on a ton of caffeine, and it's a judgment-free zone where we remember that at the end of the day, it is in fact just makeup. It washes off. It's not that serious. There's no drama for this mama. Anyways, guys, I just finished filming another video, and I talked about in that video, I'm having a bit of a flare-up, so autoimmune issues. So if I'm not as perky and peppy, because your girl's been struggling, that is why. That I didn't even finish the sentence. You guys probably, like I said in that other video, you guys probably noticed it with mine and Haley's unboxings that we did for our Ipsy Glam Bag Plus and our Ipsy. So the struggle is real, but the work must go on. You know what I'm saying? So anyways, guys, I love getting to talk to you guys. So I'll be down in the comment section trying to reply to everybody's comments and whatnot. Remember, let's keep it kind in the comment section, okay? Your girl's just ultra sensitive right now, and I think it's just because I hurt. So anyhow. 2 minutes in, once again, hi, hot mess rambles. Anyways, this is a monthly subscription service. Now, thank you once again, y'all, because you guys let me know, because I couldn't remember. Brain fog has been real lately. You guys let me know that there is no profile that they go off of, that pretty much everybody gets the same box every month. So if you are new to Allure Beauty Box, when you sign up, I got a really nice gift my first month in, which is the First Aid Beauty Coconut Skin Smoothing Primer Moisturizer. I've not opened it yet because, as you guys see, I got a lot to work through, and I've been good about not constantly buying new things, but that was something we could pick. Huge shout out to our Patreons. With Patreon donations, I do purchase the Allure Beauty Box and the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. So if you are interested in becoming a Patreon, a link will be down below. But a huge shout out and thank you once again to our Patreons who will have already seen this unboxing. So let's jump in. As always, we always get a little magazine, and in the magazine it tells you a little bit about each item in here, retail value, as well as a coupon code for any of the products in here. And I noticed last month, yeah, they did it looks like again this month, that they kind of interview a person that has tested out the products, and they give like their feedback on the products. So as always, it does have the nice little tissue paper. And I have to say, I like the boxes because I reuse the boxes. Oh, wow. Okay, so the first item that catches my eye is, it's by Olay. The Retinol 24 Night Moisturizer. It's fragrance free. There is a $3 coupon inside. Now, the Allure Beauty Box does have some full-size samples. Can you guys see the brain fog? I'm sorry. My belly is literally like punching me right now. Anyways, oh, it's an itty bitty teeny tiny. I was gonna say, sometimes they have full size, sometimes they have deluxe size samples. I would say this is definitely a deluxe size sample. And like I said, there is a $3 off coupon in here. It does, let's see. It's a retinoid complex, non-greasy, approved for daily use without the trade-off. I don't really know what that means. I'm assuming maybe it means it's not going to like slough your skin as much. I think a retinoid, is a retinoid less harsh than a retinol? I can't remember. Do I know this? I do believe I do know the answer to that, but right now it's skipping my brain. Okay, so the next item in here is by Gerard Cosmetics, Essential Lip Color in Puticanta. Hold on, let me open this. Scissors. Oh, the husband's texting me. Oh, he's so wonderful. Okay, so this is, I would say, oh yeah, this is totally a full-size lipstick. Oh, that's such a pretty summer color. This reminds me of a shade that Hailey would probably wear, because you guys know I'm scared of color on my lips, but I'm working on it. I am working on it. That's actually really pretty. I don't know anything about cargo lipstick. I don't think I've ever tried a cargo lipstick before. Hold on, let me check it out. So this has a retail value of $22. And there's no coupon on that one, but I don't think there's anything about that. Okay, so the next item we got is by Wonder Beauty, which I know some people get so annoyed to see them in subscription boxes, but one of my favorite products by Wonder Beauty, and I talk about it when it was an add-on, is this After Hours highlight. I absolutely love it. And this is, what? Wondrous Glow After Hours. Why does it look different? Is this another highlighter? Hold on, the packaging. Oh, it is. Oh my gosh, that's too funny. Okay, so I got another mini highlighter, so in the same shade, After Hours, which I just did. I don't know if that video is going to be up yet, but where I feel like I kind of got scammed by Ipsy. But I got this highlighter in here. I was like, yeah, I got it as backup, because this truly is one of my favorite highlighters by Wonder Beauty. The After Hours shade, right now, it doesn't match my skin too well. It's a little too warm for me, but it's beautiful in the summertime when I have more of a tan. So I got another backup of that, so that's nice. Okay, so the next item is a big old brush by NYX. Oh, okay. This actually looks like a nice brush, to be honest. Hold on. Oh, yeah. She's nice. That's really nice, and it's sturdy. Ooh, I really like this. Okay, that was weird, Rhonda. Sorry, guys. Okay, so it's anywhere from $14 to $17. This is the 03 brush. Does it tell me anything balance? Not really. It looks like, ooh, it looks like you can receive 25% off your purchase at NYX Cosmetics with Allure NYX. So you guys need to get any NYX products, there you go. There is a coupon code for you. I would say, I mean, I think this would be a really good like powder brush, but I almost wonder, well, I don't wear foundation, but I feel like it is such a soft type of brush that it might even work well with foundation, because it's soft but dense. I don't know, but I really like it, and I will definitely be putting that right into there. Wait, hold on, I got another video to do with this, so anywho. Okay, I'm gonna put this up against the Ipsy. That's why I have another video to do. Okay, so the next item is the Bare Minerals Skinsorials Vital Power Infusion. What? Empower, promotes skin vitality, infuse with moisture, reawaken the look of youth, enhance skin's resilience. Oh wow, that is like a good size sample of this. Ah, you guys know I'm obsessed with skincare ever since 2018. The day your girl turned 40, I was like, I should probably take really good care of my skin. And I welcome all kinds of skincare products. So definitely excited to try that out. Let's see what it says about that. See, it's kind of weird because it doesn't really tell you in depth about the actual product. It just says what the people say about it. Like, my face has always been pretty good at enduring winter, but this year it was as if my skin thought the world was ending. Sallow yellow, pink, whatever undertone, the blah 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 blah. The bounce in my cheek gave, I don't like all that. Like, just anyhow, it really, I'm gonna have to. It just says after cleansing, apply 2 pumps. Wow, I'm making the video weird. Now I'm in my own head. And I bit my tongue again. So the next item is the Believe True Cream Aqua Balm. Where did I just see something like this? I think I got this in another subscription, right? I don't remember, but actually I'm okay with it because I've heard wonderful things about it. You can pick it up at Sephora for $38. It says the light gel-like formula absorbs in seconds, gives skin a rush of hydration, and helps me look smooth and poreless. It has calming ingredients. Okay. Again, it's just so weird. I mean, I think it's cool that it gives you a little review, but I like to have like a little section, kind of like what some Ipsy cards or Boxycharm has, where it just gives you a brief synopsis, is that the word, of what the product is. So anyways, like I said, I like skincare, so I'm okay with that. Oh, and there's an item in here. It is a sheet mask. It is a honey jarrett sleep mask. So that's nice. Let's see if there's anything on that. So this is a $3 mask, and Allure 30 at checkout at Honey Jarrett would save you 30%. Allure 30. So anyways, I personally, my thoughts on this box, I've been pretty happy with it, to be honest with you guys. This is $15 a month, and the products that we got in here, I feel like I'm pretty happy with. Like, I'm actually really happy with everything that I mean, this brush is so flippin' nice. I'm not even gonna lie, guys. Like, if you saw my Ipsy video, and actually that video, the Glam Bag Plus video, just went up, and one of y'all told me that the set of brushes that I got had a retail value of $150 some. Y'all, those brushes feel so doggone cheap. Like, even you had said, like, that is, and I'm like, yeah, no, it's not worth that, trust me. This, however, if you'd put brushes like that in there and told me they were $150 some, I would have been like, okay. I mean, this is a really nice brush. I have to tell you guys, and I mentioned it in my Ipsy, the what was this called that where'd it go? I don't know. It was a limited edition bag that I picked up and like felt completely scammed over. But I was talking about in there that I feel like the Allure Beauty Box for $3 more is kind of where it's at, you know, because I'm getting some full-size products, but I'm also getting deluxe size samples, but I'm using all the items that are in this subscription. So I've been extremely happy with the Allure Beauty Box. I am so glad that you guys told me to look back into it and check into it and, you know, start unboxing it. So again, thank you to our Patreons for your support and your donations to allow me to make content by giving you guys this unboxing. I have to say, I'm very, very pleased with the Allure Beauty Box. I think that it's a good variety of skincare mixed in with some makeup as well in here. And I think it was like last month, wasn't there hair care? I can't recall. That's my brain. But anyways, guys, if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to check my description box down below for my second channel, Hot Mess Mama Vlogs. I do have a Chalk Zero giveaway going on over there, so if you are keto, low carb, you definitely want to check out my other channel for that giveaway. As well as there's a giveaway going on here right now until, I think it's like until March 4th. So the giveaway video will be down. It's only for subscribers, so you got to be a subscriber and you got to stick around. You can't just like subscribe and then unsubscribe once the giveaway's over. Mama don't play that game. Anyways, guys, the sass is in full effect. What can I say? I've got a couple more videos I want to try and film for you guys while I've got the little bit of energy that I got, because I'm telling you, it's been something else. If you guys are curious about what is on my eyes, I actually made myself pull out my Natasha Denona, what is this, Metropolis palette. I know, believe it or not. Yeah. So I've got some of the shades on from here. It's a good palette, I will say that, but I'm still salty over it, just saying. Anyways, I've rambled long enough, my friends. I'm gonna hop off. I hope you guys are having a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day wherever you are, and don't forget to follow me over on TikTok, Instagram, and Twitter. And until next time, as always, I hope you guys have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Mwah. Bye.
I just want you to know, if you let your kid ride in my car, there is not going to be any baby shark to do. What there will be is this.
Booty, 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 rockin' everywhere. Booty, 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 rockin' everywhere.